Oh, there's Uncle Woody now. Oh. Oh. Hi, Woody. Hi, Winnie. I'm back from Super Nintendo World. It was amazing and so much fun. And I meet Mario, Luigi, Toad, and Princess Peach. They were so friendly, and I loved them all. Say, are you ready to shake the tail feather? Of course I got a tail. Okay, let's shake the tail feather. It's fun shaking tail, you know. Come on and let me see, shake your tail feather, twist and shake it, baby. It's a song called Shake Your Tail Feather. It's my favorite song, especially I love shaking my tail. Say, let's ready for the pose. Okay? Ready or not, here we come the pose. That was so much fun. Oh, the hug. Oh, you too. And now the group hugs. I love group hugs. Oh, thank you. I'll have a good time. I'm gonna find Scooby and the others. Oh, Winnie, if I meet you for the third time, I'm gonna change my skirt into the pink one that looks like yours. Yes. Right. Oh, I'll have a good time. It's great to see how you two doing. You two are doing well, swell, well. Alright. Yeah, okay, and now the goodbye hugs before I go. Goodbye hugs can be important. Alright, I'll see you later.